A bigger, better bunkhouse joins the Palazzo lineup. Meet the Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan, the Palazzo 33.5.
Check it out. There is a lot to love about the Palazzo, and the 33.5 is all about having room for everyone. So for seating options, look at this. You have a great booth dinette with backrests. Across is your sofa, which is always a family favorite. Your captain's chair swivel, so everyone can be involved in the conversation or enjoy a movie on the TV with Blu-ray player and soundbar. Let's get to the sleeping options. After all, this is what a bunkhouse is all about, starting with your bunks. Yes, a great place for two to spend the night, but these also convert into a sofa or very large closet. The dinette and sofa also create great sleeping areas, and the Palazzo comes standard with the drop-down overhead bunk. In the kitchen, you have solid surface countertops, a large double-bowl stainless steel sink, dual-burner electric induction cooktop, convection microwave, and your fridge with ice maker. Step into the bathroom. Here you have a stainless steel sink, roomy counters, medicine cabinet, tankless hot water controls, a large shower with skylight and glass door, and the 360 siphon ensures a fresh-smelling Palazzo. A spacious and functional bedroom is a standout feature of the 33.5. Here's your tilt-a-view queen bed, roomy nightstands with charging ports, a great closet, a TV, and a stackable washer and dryer. The Palazzo comes standard with some fantastic tech. The Multiplex wiring system with a 7-inch full-color touchscreen is also app-enabled. From inside or out, control and monitor every feature of your Palazzo. Your power, set your auto-gen start, control your slides, check your tank levels, even dim the lights. The Palazzo comes standard with a 100-watt solar charging system, and the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot keeps you connected. When you're on the road, the touchscreen dash radio features navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and the large screen is your backup and side view camera monitor. Out back, a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter diesel with 300 horsepower and 660 pound-feet of torque and a 10,000-pound hitch. With the Atlas foundation and air ride suspension underneath, your Palazzo always delivers a smooth, satisfying ride. Stepping outside, the Palazzo looks impressive with the gorgeous front cap and illuminated Thor badge. Spend some quality time together under the power patio. Here, you have a TV on a swivel, complete with Bluetooth-controlled soundbar. Load up the large illuminated pass-through storage bays with everything you feel like bringing with you. Now, plan on bigger, better adventures. This is the Palazzo 33.5. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.